If you clean the sports car, you can keep it. Today we're competing in a satisfying cleaning competition. Underneath all this dirt are 2 expensive sports cars. And our goal is to clean them using random tools picked from this item generator. They can be good like a pressure washer, or not at all like mop gloves. And at the end of the video, whoever's car is cleaner gets to keep it. And the loser has to get shot by a mud cannon. Let's go.
Oh my gosh, this car is dirty. Whoa, what kind of car do you think this is? I don't know, but it looks like an expensive sports car.
So you're telling me if I clean my car better than you, I get to keep it?
Yes.
Well, perfect.
I mean, that's not gonna happen.
It's gonna happen.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
I'm not letting it happen.
I'm gonna make it happen.
Just go clean your car.
Okay, don't yell at me.
Let's begin.
This is my car, and I cannot wait to drive this thing really fast, but by the looks of this is really dirty.
Because cleaning this car with my bare hands would literally be impossible, I'm getting a cleaning tool from the random item generator. Please, give me something good.
We got number 45. What's 40? Whoa! Whoa! It's a pressure washer gun. This is gonna be the best tool ever!
What is it? Number 30. What are these? They're like mop gloves. You put them on your hands. Okay, really? I could have got something better? Look how dirty this car is. There's no way I'm cleaning it with just these gloves. Well, it's time to start cleaning this car. I'm ready.
Target acquired! Get up! Ah! Get him, attack! I found out what color the car is! It's yellow! Like my construction vest.
Let's clean this sports car. Come on. Oh, I'm kind of revealing some stuff. Wait, whoa. Come on. This car is red! Yo! That's my favorite color.
I'm moving in! Yeah! We're getting the enemy! Which is the dirt! Oh yeah!
I need to get a better angle. I kind of have a good but bad idea. I'm gonna take the mop gloves and put them on my feet. This should work a lot better. All right, let's try this. Oh, it's working! It's working! I'm doing like the reverse gritty right now.
I say right foot.
Yo! I'm gonna put the gloves back on my hands.
I drew my name! Can you tell? How about now? Thanks.
It looks like there's some sort of white stripe on the car. We all know stripes on cars makes them faster. Let's go to the other side.
Oh, it's a Chevrolet! So, must be a Camaro. I love Camaros! All right, I gotta make sure I clean this thing because I want this at the end of this video, and I can't let Ben get his Camaro. So let's keep cleaning!
Whoa, that kind of worked. Bro, the more I punch the car, the more dirt comes off. All right, let's get it off. Ready? Bro! That's a lot of dirt off the car.
Is this a Transformers? I got Bumblebee! All right, now I have to clean this so I can drive this thing later. Let's keep cleaning!
Let's move on to the sides. Oh, the windows. These actually work way better than I thought. I just like move my hand across the window. It actually gets all the dirt off.
Oh yeah, we're cooking up now!
Oh my, Cam. Don't do that.
Don't do what? I'm cleaning the car. Isn't my job to clean the car? As long as the car is clean, that's all that matters. Because I'm trying to win this car.
I mean, that spot does look pretty clean now.
See, I told you. I got 2 tools. My tongue and this pressure washer. Let's keep cleaning!
Since I have these nice gloves on, I'm gonna try to get this mirror spotless. Boom! And just like that, I have cleaned the mirror. But I still don't know what kind of car this is. Honestly, I need to reveal more off the front. If I'm seeing this correctly, there's 2 stripes on the middle of this hood. Looks fast. I want it!
Yeah! Oh. I just had a really good and funny idea. All right, I have this pressure washer gun, so we might as well use it against Ben. He's gonna love it. Come on! Enemy spot!
cleaning my car because you just got it wet.
Watch out!
Ow, chill! Ah, take cover! You keep doing that, you're cleaning my car.
Oh wait, I am cleaning your car.
Thanks, Cam.
Oh no, okay, I'm done. I'm gonna go clean my car.
All right, let's keep cleaning. I don't have much time left.
Let's keep cleaning! Yeah! Come on!
Oh!
You see that racing stripe? That means it gives the car an extra 5 horsepower. Because it's racing stripes. Means it goes fast! Like me, because I'm fast at cleaning stuff.
Yo! My car is wet. I can actually get more dirt off this way. Looks like Cam has some sort of like gun pressure washer, which is definitely better than this, so I need to catch up. Oh, it's like actually polishing the car now.
Matthew, I need a medic, I'm down. I got mud on me. Give me a med kit. Or a chug jug.
Revive.
Yeah, let's get going! Oh yeah! Come on, we're almost there! Look at how cool those rims are. That is shiny and not dirty anymore. But we still got a lot of dirt on the car, so let's get some high ground.
Let's try to wipe the windshield. That was so satisfying. Let's try that again. This would not have worked if it wasn't wet, so thank you, Cam. But I need to go fast because we don't have that much time left.
We got high ground. I'm looking out for the snipers. Oh no, my gun broke! And it got me wet!
5,
No!
4,
Come on!
3, 2, 1. Time.
For having just mop gloves, I'd say I did a pretty good job. We got a lot of the front of the car cleaned. We have the windshield cleaned. One of the side mirrors is cleaned. I'm gonna go check on Cam and see how he did for his first round because I might be in the lead. Let's go check on Cam.
Oh! Hey!
Whoa, this thing is way cleaner than mine.
Yeah, right? Are you jealous?
Yeah, I'm very jealous.
Yeah.
Why did I get the freaking gun?
Because you're not as skilled as me.
Well, your car might be cleaner than mine right now. We have a lot more cleaning to do, and by the end of this video, my car will be cleaner than yours.
I don't know about that, buddy, because look at my car right now.
I mean, it's still very dirty.
Oh, come on! I just cleaned that!
Okay, I'm done. Let's get a new tool.
Bro! At least the dirt tastes like chocolate.
If I want to keep this sports car, then I clearly have some catching up to do.
My car was really clean up until Ben got dirt on it. That was very rude. But doesn't matter. What does matter is we get a really good cleaning tool to keep cleaning this beautiful sports car Camaro that I really want to keep and drive really fast and do lots of cool tricks with it.
So let's get a new tool from the random item generator, and hopefully I catch up to Cam.
We got a number! All right, let's see what it is. All right. Oh, it's not 6, 7. It's number 12! Wow! Oh! Wow! Get off me! Get off! Get off me! Where am I?
Cam,
What?
over here.
How'd you guys get over there? All right, what is this? Oh, I think this is a cleaning suit. Wait, I'm about to be a human mop.
Oh, this one looks good. I have a good feeling. Number 25. What is this? What does it do? Ah, yo! This thing spins. It's like a spinning pressure washer.
No way! I look so ridiculous right now. I'm literally a human mop. This cleaning suit's gonna be awesome, so I'm ready. Let's start cleaning.
3, 2, 1.
All right, I'm stepping on the car. Here we go. Wow! Oh, look at that. Yo, it's taking off all the dirt. This thing is floating. Wow! I can't control it. This thing is literally out of control. Oh my God.
Here we go! Oh, yeah! I'm cleaning a Camaro right now! Just keep cleaning, just keep cleaning. Wow! Oh, that didn't feel good. All right.
I really want this sports car because it's red and probably very fast, so I gotta clean this thing. Oh my God, are you kidding me? I got my new Stay Weld socks on, I got my new white shoes. Doesn't matter, as long as I clean this car better than Cam, I don't care how dirty I get.
Just keep cleaning. I'm doing like snow angels on a sports car right now. That's gotta be like a world record.
Let's get all the dirty water off the hood. Oh, that's so satisfying. Bro, look how clean this is. Literally no dirt, just water.
The roof of my car is still dirty, so it's only fair we clean it. It really isn't a good slip and slide. But it is really fun because I can clean everything. Just keep cleaning, just keep cleaning. Yeah! That's sparkly clean.
Oh my god. Okay.
This may look clean, but we still have so much more cleaning to do. I mean, look at the side of the car. You can't even open the door. Dirt everywhere. Let's keep cleaning! Yeah, look at the door. Oh, it's so nice inside. I need to keep this thing.
I need to make sure this thing is so spotless clean because I don't want Ben to win this challenge and keep his car. I want to keep this car. I mean, look at the color of it. It's yellow. You know what else is yellow? Not the subscribe button. But hey, if you do subscribe, it could turn yellow. Try to find out. So subscribe!
All right, the door is clean, the hood is clean, but the wheels do not look good. I'm just gonna give it a nice little spin. And just like that, the middle of the wheel is clean. Oh, Chevrolet. That's expensive. All right, well, now I definitely want to keep this thing. Oh, no. What just happened?
Ken, you're supposed to clean the car, not
No!
Don't worry. I can fix it. See? It's fixed. Doesn't matter. You don't need mirrors. What I do need is a clean car. So let's keep cleaning this thing. Oh.
Boom! Spotless. The door is clean, the hood is clean, but this right here is extremely dirty. I want to connect the clean pieces. Let's keep going.
This isn't working very well. All right, you know what? We can do better. So I'm gonna go get some help to actually make this clean. I'm gonna go get Ben. I'll be back. Ben! What? I need your help.
What do you mean?
I need your help. It's urgent. Come on.
Are you okay?
No, I'm not. Come help. Come on.
Okay.
Let's go. Ben, come here. Ben, I'm waiting.
Dude, what are you doing?
Help me, all right? I'm trying to mop this thing clean. Grab my legs and help.
Are you kidding me?
Yes, help me. Go. Grab my legs.
Okay, here we go.
Yeah.
Forward, backwards.
Yeah.
Forward, backwards.
Yeah. Wow. Too much cleaning.
You're a heavy mop, all right?
Hey, I'm not that heavy. Come on. I'm barely cleaning this thing.
What happened to your mirror?
I broke it.
Okay, bro, listen, why am I even helping you? I'm your competition.
Well, because I needed help.
Are you gonna say thank you?
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Ben. You're the best friend ever.
You're welcome. Stop! No! That's the last time I'm helping you.
All right, I still have a lot of cleaning to do, and you just left me.
Enough helping the competition, I got a car to clean. Wait, does that say Camaro? There's one thing I know about Camaros, they're fast and they're sports cars. All right, buddy, you know what? I'm gonna clean you. You don't deserve to be dirty.
Yeah, I'm cleaning with my butt right now, dude. Yeah, this is working so well.
Cam, that is not working.
Right.
5,
No!
4,
5!
3, 2, 1.
Come on.
5.
What? Give me more time.
3,
Give me more time.
2,
I will give you a big hug.
1.
I'm not crazy, you're crazy.
Time.
All right, well, my hood is clean, the front of the car is kind of clean, but the side, I guarantee you Cam's side is not this clean.
You know what? I think I did a pretty good job. But this is just one step closer to getting one clean car and having me drive this thing on the road. But we definitely have a lot more dirt to clean, so let's just go to the next round.
Let's get another tool. All right, let's get another tool.
All right, let's see what number we got. All right, I got number 34.
Whoa, stay. Whoa. Number 16. What is this? Oh, I got a bucket and a mop. This is one of the most iconic cleaning tools. But normally you use this to clean the floors and not a car.
I think this is some sort of giant spinning brush, and it's got wheels on it.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my gosh, this thing's so heavy. All right, let's start cleaning.
Oh, yeah! All right, let's get this thing soaked up. If I spin it, it might work better. This is not the best tool to use, but I'm gonna make it work. We need more soap.
We're just cleaning.
Yeah!
It's like I'm mowing the lawn, but I got dirt that I'm mowing.
Come on! Clean faster! From what I can see, I have taken some dirt off the side of this car.
Yeah. Now we're doing the rear window. I wonder how Ben's doing over there. Probably didn't get nearly as cool of a tool as mine.
It's actually working. Like, I'm starting to reveal a bunch of red paint. I need high ground. Put this up here. All right, being on the top of the car, honestly, is the best. You can reach every angle. Just dump them up. Let's keep going. Come on. I feel like I'm just smearing in all the dirt. This thing is so dirty. Everything it touches makes it dirty.
Oh yeah, we're breaking up all the dirt, and if I get water for one round, all of this dust is gonna come off of the car, thus leaving a beautiful sports car for me to drive.
Not bad. Definitely not spotless, but this was just covered in dirt. Now, it's looking a lot better. All right, let's get down. Oh no! No. This was just clean with the bucket dumped down the car and all the dirty water went on the hood. Okay, you know what? This mop has gotten so dirty that it's no longer cleaning, it's just making things more dirty. So I have an idea. I'm gonna use this dirty mop and go help Cam clean his car with it. Should be very helpful. Let's do it. Hey Cam!
Hey!
I figured I'd show up to your car and offer some help.
Really?
Yeah, you need help?
I mean, sure, dude. Start working.
Come on, I got this mop right here, let's do it.
Perfect, thank you. Yeah, just keep cleaning.
Oh yeah, that's working really good.
I got the back, don't worry.
I got the front.
We're gonna make sure I clean my car the best and I win this challenge.
Oh yeah, bro. Look at all this progress I just made.
Why are you helping me? You're supposed to do your own car.
He's so dumb.
Just keep cleaning.
All right, Cam.
Keep cleaning.
Yep.
Bro! What? I just cleaned that. You just made it worse.
I was trying to help you with my mop.
Go away.
I wasn't done.
Go!
Okay.
Go!
Okay, no, chill.
I'm gonna use my tool against you. Now I gotta re-clean this whole thing. I'm literally just moving the mud around. No.
That was successful. Cam's car is a lot dirtier than what it was. Let's use this dirty mop on a dirty car. Oh, when you actually use it on parts that are dirty, it works. Just do not touch the clean parts. I think I'm dirtier than the car now. Want a high five? Fine.
Bro, it's not even cleaning it no more. How much time do I got? Because I'm over this round. Look, I'm just making my car worse.
We got more water. Let's pour some and reveal all my hard work. While I'm here, I'm gonna get the hood clean again. Ooh, it's sparkly again. The windshield. Now that is clean.
I'm done. Do you wanna clean? Can you just count me down? I'm done.
5,
Yep.
4,
3, 2, 1. Oh no, can I have 5 more seconds, Matthew?
no.
Oh, darn it.
How did I get more dirty than the car? It's fine. It doesn't matter how clean I am, it matters how clean the car is. And right now, I'm doing a pretty good job. We have almost this entire side clean. We have the front of the car clean. We have this side kinda clean. Not looking the best. But I'm not messing around. I wanna go see how Cam's doing. Let's see who's in the lead. There's no way he's beating me. Oh, hey Cam.
What's up?
Why you look so sad?
Good, you made my whole car re-dirty again, and then I used my tool to clean it, and then just made it more dirty.
It looks like I'm in the lead.
I don't know about that. My car's looking pretty clean.
Not as clean as mine.
Yeah.
So right now, I'm keeping it, and you're doing the disgusting punishment at the end of the video.
What's the punishment?
You have to get shot by a mud cannon.
I mean, I like mud, so I'd probably eat it.
It's gonna be bad.
It could be kind of tasty. Delicious?
You don't want to find out. Let's keep cleaning.
My car was clean. Let's go to the next round. I need a new tool. Something.
I'm obviously in the lead. Let's get a new tool and clean this thing once and for all. Give me something good.
Wonder what number we got. Let's see. I didn't get 67, I got 27. Oh, I got a sponge. Oh, I got soap.
Whoa!
Oh. Well, I had water until I got poured all over my car.
Number 15. Wow! A pressure washer. Wow! Another one! Was this an accident? Do I actually get 2 pressure washers?
3, 2, 1.
First up, let's soap up the car. Yeah! Soap.
Woo! Yo! Is this even fair? I mean, I'm doing double the damage right now. Woo! Look how sparkly that that is.
Yeah, soapy. Look at that. You see that shine?
Yeah.
All right. Feels good to use a real sponge because one of my other rounds, I was the sponge, but it did pretty good.
Let's get this wheel clean. That is one clean wheel. All right, we got some dirt on the hood now. Let's get it off. Literally looks brand new, but this side right now is honestly, it's a mess. Give me like 6 or 7 seconds, I'll get this thing clean.
The sponge was yellow. Now it's just dirty. All right, I need a sponge to clean the sponge. Come on. Oh, let's do the roof of the car. Oh, look at the bubble! Tastes yummy.
Bro, the only thing stopping me from cleaning this car literally completely is the time. So I better not run out of time.
All right. Oh no. I got dirt on my hands. Gross. All right, I need a napkin.
I'll get you one.
Yeah, here.
Oh.
Thank you, dude. Actually,
God.
this is a perfect napkin. That is perfect.
I just.
This is a really good napkin. What kind of napkin is this? Like, all right, well, my hands are now clean. Thank you.
Bro.
I can clean it. Here, let me clean it really quick.
Okay, that should help. Hopefully.
Yeah.
Cam, it's not helping. Stop.
I don't think it's helping. I'm just gonna get back to cleaning the car. Good luck.
And just like that, this entire side is clean. I mean, squeaky clean. I could literally kiss my hand, it's not even dirty. But obviously the other side doesn't look as good. Follow me that way. Oh yeah, it's working good.
All right, well, my sponge is no longer yellow, so let's just get a bunch of buckets of water and throw it on the car. I'm just putting more mud on my car, dude. Well, it was clean. All right, there's still so much mud everywhere.
Spotless.
I'm afraid Ben is in the lead and his car is looking a lot cleaner than mine. So I think it's time we sabotage him because he keeps sabotaging me. So there's a bunch of this mud water down below. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna take all of this mud water and put it into the bucket and make Ben's car more muddy. How cool is that? All right, let's gather up all this mud water and sabotage Ben. We now have so much mud in this bucket, so let's go sabotage Ben. Ha ha!
Yo! This thing is looking brand new!
Not anymore!
Whoa!
Yeah!
Oh, no, get out of here! Get out of here! Are you kidding me?
Payback!
Ow! I just cleaned this part of my car. Hey, you saw it? It was sparkly.
My plan worked! All right, let's clean this really quick because I don't think I have very much time.
How much time do I have?
5 seconds.
No.
4.
No!
3.
No!
2. 1. Good.
It's messed up.
All right, well, honestly, I think I did pretty good this round. I got the whole hood back to looking clean again after Ben sabotaged me last round. But look, we got the roof done. This window's coming out good. Somebody broke the mirror. I don't know who did that, but we're making pretty good progress. So let's go get another tool in the next round.
All right, honestly, I kind of deserved it. I sabotaged Cam, so obviously payback is fair. But bro, look at the hood. Look at the car. It was sparkly. All right, well, I need to quickly get a new tool because I have some work to do. Oh God, this is not good.
The sponge wasn't the greatest tool, so I'm really hoping I get something really good and get rid of all of this dirt. So let's spin the wonderful wheel of wonders. Give me something good, please.
Please be good. Nervous number 26. Whoa! How did I catch that? Yo, I got a brush.
We got number 31. Whoa. I got a foam cannon. All right, let's just test to see if this works. It works, and it's blue.
3, 2, 1.
All right, let's start off by cleaning the windshield. Yo, that was satisfying. This is actually working so good. Look at it just taking all the dirt off.
Whoa, it's so blue. Oh yeah. Dude, look how all the blue foam is just taking all the dirt off and dripping onto the ground.
It's working! All the dirt is coming off of the roof. Here we go. There's so much dirt. Oh my gosh. It's working well, but I got a lot of work to do.
Be prepared to be amazed, because all this dirt is gonna be no longer, and you're gonna see a beautiful sports car. All right, 3, 2, 1. Oh! Yeah! Oh, dude, this is the best tool ever.
Oh, look at that. Now that's satisfying. Vlad and Chris will be the judges of whose car is cleaner. So I need to make sure I impress them and take all this dirt off. This is where Cam destroyed my car, but watch this. Boom, it's gone.
This is the best tool ever! Yeah! I think the camera got a little mud on it.
I am literally running out of time. This is not good. So far, I've got a lot of dirt off of my car, but I feel like it needs some sort of polishing. Guys, I gotta do it. I'm taking off my famous red shirt and I'm using it to wipe down the car. Oh, that's what I need. This is gonna be my final tool. I don't care if I'm allowed to use it or not. It was on my body.
Right. Dude, look how good this looks. Go, 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 go. Come on, I'm so close.
Come on, come on. I'm close.
5,
No!
4,
This is it!
3,
No!
2, 1. Time.
Can you believe what this car looked like a second ago? It was so dirty and now it's so clean. You couldn't even tell what color it was, but now you can.
Not too long ago, this car was completely covered in dirt. Literally every single part. But now it's time the judges decide whose car is cleaner. And I'm gonna need a new shirt because this is not presentable to a judge. So pass me a new shirt. Just like that. All right, let's get the judges in here. Vlad and Chris.
Hey! Oh my gosh, look at this car!
You guys are here to judge who cleaned their sports car better, starting with mine.
I see what you did there. Red t-shirt, red car. I love this. I can kind of see some dirt on the ground. You did a pretty good job. Look at all the buildup right here at the windshield. Oh, that's not good, buddy. We gotta
You can't even see it though.
take some notes right now. So
Come around the front, come around the front.
yeah, minus points for that mud over there. Oh my gosh, what is this? Couldn't even clean this part? It's so obvious.
Listen, I forgot. Just act like that never happened.
How did you forget to clean?
Obviously, I'm not proud of that, but I am very proud of this side.
Hold up. What is this abomination? Still nothing to be proud of so far.
Bro, this is flawless. Are you kidding me?
Yes, I see the red on the car, but all right, the hood looks fine, but
Look at the door, bro. Look at the door.
all right, the door is pretty nice, I would say, if I was not lying, because I'm just disgusting to touch this handle. I'm just look at this. Minus points.
Let's not go to the back.
Oh my! You can't even put gas in this thing. Can you open it?
No.
Can't even open it.
Stuck.
Wow, that's amazing. All right. Well, wait, Ben, do you want bonus points?
Yes.
You think he's gonna pass the lick test? Ooh, I wouldn't try that if I were you.
Yeah, what? You want me to lick my car?
Please don't do that.
I'm confident it's that clean.
I don't
See
think
this
so.
spot right here?
Please don't. Please. All right, you know what? Just because of that, bonus points. Okay, you earned your point.
Honestly, did not taste like dirt. This part right here, spotless.
All right, valid.
But don't look at the roof.
What just happened? What did you use to clean that part of the car?
A lot of tools, a lot of tools.
What didn't you use? Because that's not clean. Anyways, what didn't you use in the back? This whole thing is a mess. You guys, come here. Come here.
No.
You have to see this. Look at this. What is this? It's like I'm touching the ground. Chris, I think we've seen enough. Yeah, I got mixed feelings about this, but don't you worry. We still haven't seen Cam's car.
That's right. If Cam's car is dirtier than mine, I still get to keep it.
And what happens if you lose?
You don't keep the car and you get shot with a mud cannon.
Okay, you don't want to be the one that's doing that. Let's go to Cam's car.
Okay, please wish me luck.
Welcome, Vlad and Chris, to my clean sports car.
Oh my god, bro, this looks amazing. Yep, this is real dirt.
I don't know if this is real dirt. You guys have to taste it.
Wow, what? We still haven't inspected the whole car, so let's keep going. Wait, was that the lick test?
Yep.
Bonus points? Yeah. Oh, you're right. I say we take a look at the back of the car.
No, we don't.
Guys, what happened here?
There's dirt. How about you guys check out the front of the car?
That's a good idea. So he wants to change subject very quickly. Okay, I see. Moving on to the hood and the front bumper. Ooh!
Yeah!
So far, so good. This is spotless.
No.
I see some dirt right here. Is this actual dirt?
Taste it.
Okay, guys, remember Ben's front of the car? It was full of dirt. Taking a look at this front of the car. In comparison, it's a lot more clean. Yeah, it's actually shining. Moving on. This mirror is broken.
Whoa, it's not broken, all right? It's just, see?
Oh,
See?
oh,
Yeah, it's better.
bonus points.
Yeah.
Minus points.
All right.
I like the wheel. This looks pretty clean.
Yeah, right?
Boys, I think we've seen enough. Vlad, I think you have something in your pocket that belongs to Cam. Because he's the winner!
Yeah!
Give him the keys!
Yo! Yeah! I'm gonna start this car. Where's my keys? Oh, yeah!
Yeah!
Come on, bro.
Start the engine. Oh, yeah! This is my new sports car, but we cannot forget about the punishment. Come on, Ben!
Good luck, buddy.
I don't get a car and I have to do a punishment?
Yeah.
You're just flexing on me now. Well, let's go do the punishment. Yep. All right, Ben, you stand right here and you're about to get hit with a mud cannon.
Dude, my nice white clothes.
They're not gonna be white anymore. I'll be right back. All right, this is the mud cannon. We're gonna make you as dirty as your car. All right, hit it.
Oh, God.
Here we go. Here we go. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Are you kidding me? Okay, just make it stop. Make it stop.
I got dirty and I didn't win a sports car?
Yeah, but I won mine.
Give me a hug.
No.